Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today, we're gonna talk about how to make a course in WIX. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, we need to go to the browser. I would choose Google Chrome here, my favorite one. Then I'll go to Google. And here in Google, I will search for WIX App Market. And then once I'm here in the WIX App Market, I'll go to WIX App Market Powerful Web Apps for your site. And I'll open this one here. And just wait a few seconds until we are here. And so here we got this page with all these options. And also we got these apps, which are called Team Picks. But in my case, I'll go to search apps and search for challenges, and we will choose WIX online programs. This is build and sell multi-step programs. So we'll click over here to WIX online programs and click to add to site. And then once you directed here to this page, click on get started. And so here we got several options: online course, fitness challenge, personal coaching, start fresh, and nutrition plan. So we will go with online course because today's video topic is about creating an online course in WIX. So I'll click here on online course and click on next. And here we have a preset templates, such for example, how to create a business plan, healthy baking basics, 7 steps to become an SEO expert, etc. And so I'll go up here to start fresh, create your program from scratch. And I'll click here and then click on next. And so here is the course name. So for example, let's call it My Course 101 0 and click on next. And so here we have two options for the program completion. We have either self-paced, so participants can complete steps whenever they like, or scheduled, so they must complete steps on specific days. So in my case, I prefer to make it on self-paced, so I'm gonna click over here and then choose next. And so how long do participants have to complete your program? Unlimited or time limit. So here they can complete steps whenever they would like, or set number of days to finish. So let's make it unlimited and click. Let's go. And so here we have the course. Here we got the instructions and so on. So just go click on edit, and this is the dashboard. Started from basic info, visibility and pricing. So let's take it one by one. Let's go for the basic info. We can change the course name here in the category of the course. This is the description, some instructions we can add, and also we have the cover image that could give a trust to the one who would like to get the course. And so let's go back to the dashboard and we go to visibility and pricing over here. And so here for the visibility, we may choose between public, private, or secret. And also the pricing, is it free or pay to join? And if it's pay to join, how much is it? How much is the price? And does it one-time payment? And also does that include a pricing plan? So we can click on create subscription. And here once we click on create subscription, we will be directed here to this page in which we can create or make subscriptions to those who would like to get the course. So here we click on get started, and we can add, for example, a silver membership, a description, and unlimited for classes and so on, a cover image. And this is the plan preview we can choose. We have the pricing options and so on, all this information. And once we get done, we just click on save. And so also the number of the participants, is it unlimited or limited, and if it's limited, how many are them. So let's say for example 500, and we can click on save, but I would like to make them unlimited. Let's go back to the dashboard once again. We can click on save and squad wherever to us. Let's just make it the squad. So here we have the scheduling. Is it self-paced as we choose at the beginning, or scheduled? So I make it on self-paced. So the timing, does we have a time limit or no time limit, step order and visibility, fixed order, or any order. Let's make it the order. Go back to the dashboard. We have group. We can connect a group here by click on the plus button, and we can connect any group to the course. And also we have the rewards, which is a new feature. As you can see the sign, so we click on rewards and we can create a certificate, or we can add a badge to those who have finished the course. So click add badge, for example, and then create new badges. So here, for example, the background color, the text color, the icon of the badge name, description, and this is the preview of the badge once we get done. Also click save to save our changes for the badges. And also we can click on create certificate, which is a new feature. So once we click here, we'll be able to create a certificate from the scratch. So we have a preset template for the certificate, and we can edit the text over here, edit text and decorations and so on. So let's go back to the previous page of the dashboard. And one more thing, we have notifications. So we have the invitation, steps for today, program has ended, and all steps completed. And also we can make some automations to our notification on the course. And also one more thing we have, which is SEO. We can edit this for those who have great ideas about the SEO tools and so on. And so once we get to the SEO section, that means our video is done. So let's take a quick recap for what you did in this video. At the beginning, we went to the website, and then we searched for challenges, and we searched for the tools that we're going to use in order to create or make an online course. And so we passed through the dashboard, and we tried to customize each and every detail about the course, including the pricing, the dates, deadlines, badges, groups, and certificates, and so on. And that was all in today's video. So at the end, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel, and then you can find a lot of tutorials inside our channel. Also, you can leave us a comment down below in the comment section to let us know if the video is helpful. And at the end, thanks for watching the video until the end. Have a good day.